How do wheel spacer affect handling for your Jeep? Whether you are running stock wheels or just want a wider stance for off-roading, wheel spacer can transform your Jeep's look and performance, but only if you choose the right ones. Wheel spacer provides a wider stance for off-road stability and avoiding tire rub on aftermarket tires. Spacers are not just for looks. They're critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, top-central wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific local requirements. BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-central rings. This hub-central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub fat. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. Choosing the right wheel spacer for your Jeep involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features like flash plates. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.